how to set up Facebook star for your Facebook page. Open your Facebook page and then you can see the Meta Business Suite. Open Meta Business Suite, and once you open, then you can see the monetization. Press on monetization, and here you can see the overview option. Press on view page eligibility, then you can see the star option. Press on view tools, then here you can see the get start option. Press on get start and press on next. Now review term and condition and press on agree to term. Now it's complete. Now you have to complete your verification details. Now press on next. Now you have to select your payout. For example, I'm setting this payout and press on done. Press on done and press on submit to review. Then you can see your submit is application, and within 2 or 3 hours your star will be eligible. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.